Yo, what's good? It's your boy Topso, and today we're going to be making a beat for Blckie some nyama. You know what I mean, you know what it is, you know. I'm going to be showing you my process of making a melody, then putting drums, then I'll play the final result at the end of the video. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Without wasting any time, let's hop into it. Cause it's my first time making a beat for Blckie. Let me start with the bounce, you know, the cheese and stuff, tamati some dust, onion some dust, tomato, satoshi and less, you know, now I go to my drum kit, then 808, TPX, Topo 808 smacks. Yeah. Okay, that's. Octave down. Let's try that. Make variation. Yeah. Hey. Okay, let me change the sound. Hey. Okay. Decrease the top notes. Increase it a bit. Try cross speed. Let me render it out. Go to the mixer, trigger this one, Alt R. Boom. Okay, we got this now. Pitch it up 500 cents. Hey, yeah. Gross beat after gross beat. Let's try another one. Momentary. Let me render this out. Play with the pitch once again. Pitch it up 200 cents. Yeah. Okay, this is decent. What I'll do right now is render it for the last time. Alt R. Duplicate this part. Then I make this one unique. Then I pitch it up a whole octave. Listen now. Render it out. Alt R. Enter. Now this is our sample. Put it on a channel. Then cut the lows and the highs. Hey, let me put vinyl. Decrease the dust and increase the warp and the weight. Yeah, gives it that vibe. Let me play with the times. 1930. Yo, that was, yeah, 1960 is better. Then I master it. Go to Fruity Limited. Increase the ceiling. Increase the gain till you hear that the volume is right for you. Yeah. Okay, now Alt R. That's it. Okay, now I shift and drag, then make this one unique, then pitch it up and we reverse it. Hey! Yeah. This is Blxckie. I hear my black bro on this one. I hear him in this one. Yeah, boy. We got him. Got you, Blxckie. Whew. I got it. Render it. Alt R. Then enter. Got you, dog. Play with the pitch. Damn. Yeah, this is fine now. Now I'm confident. Let's make new drums for this fire melody. For Blxckie. Some yummy. Just like that. Pitch it down. Hey. Hey, yeah. Hey. Let me see. Boom. Copy that on the side. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Some yum. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, if you did, hit the like, subscribe, and let me mix the beat, master it, and then I'll play the final result after this. Peace.